Right now on Triad today, I am sitting with three legends, two from the legal field and community service, one from racing, and they're all here right now. David Daggett, Griff Shuler, of course, from Daggett Shuler Law Firm, and they brought along a special guest, the legendary Randy Myers. He's competition director of Caraway Speedway. Good to see you, boys.
Hey, Jim.
Thanks, Jim. Randy, let me start with you. Now, for folks who don't know, where is the Speedway located and what kind of races do you normally run?
The Speedway itself is on Racetrack Road Extension in Sophia, North Carolina. We race late model stock cars, we race modifieds, we race challengers, U cars. There's any number of different events that we race, but all got tires on them. Go down the straightaways and turn left.
For people that hadn't been out there, that's, as you said, Asheboro claimed it, so if they want to know directions, they can go. We'll give a website in just a minute. Now, all right, now tell us about the big event that's coming up on July 6th. Tell me all about that.
Well, that's the Rusty Harpe Memorial Race, and thanks to these two guys, we've been doing it for several years. Rusty passed away in 2007 in a farm accident, and he was a track champion at Caraway, so we decided to honor him.
That's great.
And they've been carrying that on ever since. It's a modified event coming up on the 6th, and we have a good time.
Really looking forward to it. We'll put some stuff up on screen in just a second about it. David, now again, how long have you and Griff been supporting this?
Well, this is the 18th annual race, and I think we've been involved since the beginning. Yep. I was a longtime friend of Chip Harpe, Rusty's father, who, shout out to Chip, he's recovering from a medical incident right now. His son, Rusty, I actually knew. He was a high school wrestler, and I officiated him in high school. Okay. So Chip and I had that double connection.
Got it. Griff, why should folks come out and support this kind of event?
Well, for one thing, it's just a ton of fun.
Yeah.
Absolutely. There's great racing. One thing that's always exciting, they'll have fireworks following the races. And the other thing is because the Rusty Harpe Memorial Race is always very close to July 4th, there's always a little bit of a patriotic theme.
Okay.
And that's always neat to have. And so it's a lot of fun. Bring out the whole family. It's a great night of racing and just being together.
I don't have to get in the car and actually race, do I, Russ?
No, we wouldn't let you do that.
right there, Randy. Randy, tell me now, where do the proceeds go, Randy?
The proceeds actually benefit the track. There's no actual thing. When they first started doing the event, they donated a lot of money to Natalie's, Rusty's daughter.
Right.
But since then, they have just been great sponsors for the event and made it able for us to continue to do that traditional race.
I'll come back to David for some final thoughts in just a second. I don't want to run out of time before we do this. Up on screen, Randy Harpe Memorial Race, Saturday, July 6th, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m., and that's in Sophia, North Carolina on Caraway Speedway. Now, if you want more information, you can go to carawayspeedway.com. That's carawayspeedway.com. Lots of good information on there, all sorts of stuff going on out there in addition to this, but check it out. And if you ever need the services of the Daggett Shuler guys, you can go to daggettshulerlaw.com. The number on screen there is 724-1234. David, any final thoughts on the importance of this?
Well, a couple things. Randy truly is a legend. He's being modest. The Harpe family, we love them to death, and they've turned this tragedy into something positive. All the drivers are excited. It is a big event, and so proud of the Harpe family, so proud of the track at Caraway. Darren and his team do a wonderful job, and Randy's the glue that pulls everything together.
Yeah, are you expecting a big crowd again, Randy?
We do. We have two big events that same week. We have an event on Wednesday night, and again the Rusty Harpe race on Saturday night. And the Rusty Harpe race, as Griff said, it's the patriotic theme. We're all doing what we do on the 4th of July with the fireworks and everything.
But Randy, final thing, what about folks that are watching this and say, well, that sounds neat. I have heard about Randy before, but I don't know anything about racing. I don't know if I'll have any fun going to. I don't understand racing. What do you say to them?
You will have fun, I promise. And the food's good too.
Sometimes there's some wrecks that make it even more fun.
Yeah, but they're safe. They're safe wrecks.
Behind the fence.
That's right. Guys, I appreciate it. Thanks for all you do.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Jim.
guys.
Thank you.